business after studying chartered accountancy. So you can have your own business as well. And that will help you in understanding your business in more detail, that how you can grow and groom your business. Next, we will talk about requirements to become a chartered accountant. So there are two routes which you can follow to become a chartered accountant. So guys, you can post your question, whatever question come across your mind, you can post it, we'll address it after our session. So entry routes, there are two routes to become a chartered accountant. First one is the foundation route, which you can adopt after your 12th. So there is no bar as to the stream, whether you are a commerce student with maths, without maths, or you are a science student, or you are an art student, you can pursue after your 12th. And most importantly, there is no minimum requirement of percentage that you need to score X percentage. A just qualified, just pass out person can pursue chartered accountancy after their 12th. And the second route is the intermediate course, which is the direct entry route which a person can adopt after their graduation. But there is a requirement for that. Person needs to have minimum 55% of marks if a person is from commerce background, and for others it has to be 60% minimum. So that's a requirement if a person wants to pursue after graduation. But that's not the requirement if you want to pursue after your 12th. I personally suggest everyone to pursue after 12 because it actually saves you 2.5 years. So 18 plus 3, 21 you will be graduate, and then you will start your chartered accountancy. But if you start after 12, you are 18, I think you will be able to become a chartered accountant if everything goes as the direct entry route. Foundation route, you can register yourself after your 12th class, and then Ankit ji, please can you move to the flow chart? I want to explain. Yes. First route is foundation route. You have to register yourself with ICI after appearing for your 12th class, or in fact you can register before that as well. In case if you want to appear in the month of June, in the first attempt after your 12th will be held in the month of May or June, then you can register during your 12th standard as well before 31st of March. You are eligible to appear in the November or May exam. Once you qualify your foundation course, then you can register for the intermediate course. So level 1 is okay. Level 1 is done. Very easy, very simple. If you, 80% of the content would be from 11th and 12th commerce class. Other people may take a little more time to study. They may take 6 additional months and prepare themselves if a person is from arts and appear for the May exam. Once you qualify your foundation, then you need to register for your intermediate course. That is your level 2. Now, after registering for the level 2, you need to complete 4 weeks of IT and soft skill training. So CA Institute has launched this training to develop the skills, IT skills and soft skills among the students. And that needs to be done, that needs to be completed before commencement of your practical training. Then you have to appear for your exams. So there are 2 groups in your level 2, group 1 and group 2. So you have option to appear for both the groups together, or you can give one by one as well. It is always better to give both the groups together because you generally get ranks, and there's a set of mechanism also applicable. So it is generally better to give both the groups together, but that's not a condition. If person is not comfortable to give both the groups together, you can give one by one as well. Okay, so now you qualify one group or 2 group, either of the group. Then you are entitled to register yourself for the practical training. 3 years of practical training. That's the most crucial part of the course. A chartered accountant